In this video, I'll be teaching you how to cut this asymmetric overburst corset blouse with an asymmetric hemline. To see the full video, please go down to my YouTube channel at Marquis Closet. To start, I'm going to go ahead to mark out all my basic measurements, go in to mark my nipple to nipple divided by 2, and I'm going to draw a straight line, and I will be marking a dart intake of 1 inch on both sides, and I'll go ahead to connect. Next, I'm going to connect from the under bust to the bust, or from the bust to the under bust. Repeat this at both sides. So now I'll mark a basic neckline of 3 by 3 inches, divide the rest of my shoulder into 2 and mark. Now I'll place and mark another 2 inches for my shoulder dart, and I'll connect it to my bust point. I'll go ahead to shade out my shoulder dart, and next I'll insert my bust circumference, measure the dart intake, replace and add my sewing allowance, mark my under bust circumference, replace the dart intake and add my sewing allowance. Repeat the same at the waistline, and also at the top length I'll be using my hip circumference divided by 4, measure the dart intake, replace and add my sewing allowance. Go ahead to connect your line, and I'll go in by my bust dart by 1.5. To get your bust dart is the difference between your shoulder to waist in front and your shoulder to waist at the back. My shoulder to waist in front is 17, my shoulder to waist at the back is 15.5. So I'll transfer all this measurement to the other side of my pattern paper. Now this is what I have, and I'll go ahead to draw out the asymmetric hemline on the lower part and at the upper part of the neckline. I'll go up by 2 inches, and from there I'm going to connect this all the way to the other side. I'll go up and then mark about 4 inches down, and then blend in my pattern paper this way and go ahead to connect it. I'll go all the way down, so I'll be using about 7 inches or 7.5 inches from my waistline, and I'm going to mark and also blend in my dart on the other side and connect. And I'll also go up by 2 inches also by the side, and I will connect. So this is what I have, and I'm just going to go ahead to mark this out. After that, I'll go ahead and label my pattern, and we'll be moving up to the upper part. I'll blend in my darts this way, draw out the neckline, and I'll come down by about 1 inch here, and I will be connecting this all the way to the other side of my pattern paper, blend in my darts here so that this part will be matching and extend. So after I'm done doing this, I'll go ahead and I will outline my darts and draw out the neckline. So I'm done drafting out the front pattern. I'll go ahead to use my marker and outline, and the next step is to cut this out. To see the full video of the cutting of the dress, both for the front and the back, please go down to my YouTube channel at Marquis Closet.